The last problem or this problem?
No, this problem.
Okay, 3 cotangent squared x minus 1 equals 0.
Cotangent x squared, or is it x minus 1 inside of the cotangent x squared?
It's just like this.
Oh, okay. Okay, so this is one of those questions where you have to factor and then solve for x.
Okay.
So in this case, you have the difference of two squares, right? So what if I were to write it like this? How would you factor that? Okay, take the square root of this one. Tell me what you get.
3x.
The square root 3x. So I'm going to write that twice. Take the square root of that.
Negative 1 and positive 1.
Mm-hmm. And both of those are equal to 0, right?
Mm-hmm.
So when I solve it, I'm going to get that x is equal to negative root 3 over 3. Mm-hmm. And x is equal to positive root 3 over 3. So instead of having x there, I had cotangent squared, right? Mm-hmm. So now I can do that substitution and put cotangent there. So now I have cotangent of x is equal to root 3 over 3 negative, and then cotangent x is equal to root 3 over 3. I have the x in here inside of the trig function, so when I'm solving for x, I'm finding an angle, right? Mm-hmm. So this is asking me, what angle is the cotangent of x equal to negative root 3 over 3?
It would be cotangent 30.
Yes. So this is negative, so what quadrant do I need to be in?
It would be in the second quadrant, so it would be 150.
Where else is it negative?
In the fourth quadrant.
Which would be?
Negative 30. Or not 270, 330.
Cotangent and cosine are negative in the same, are positive in this, are negative in the same place, right? Mm-hmm. Because cotangent is equal to cosine over sine.
So it would have to be in the
and this would be 1/2 over root 3 over 2, right? So I need to know when the cosine is equal to negative 1/2. So when is the cosine equal to negative 1/2?
Cosine.
So actually, this angle is actually off.
Yeah.
It should be 120, and the other place where it's negative would be 240.
Okay. Sorry, I was looking for cotangent. But,
and then I need to know where it's. So it's literally all of the 60s. So it would be 60 degrees if you're going to do it that way, and 300.
Okay.
And did they want it in radians or did they want it in degrees? What's the homework say?
Radian.
So I have to write these in radians. So that would be pi over 3, 2 pi over 3. 5 4 pi over 3.
Okay.
And 5 pi over 3.
Okay.
Do we need to go over the degrees and radians and how to work with both of those?
No.
You sure you got it?
Yeah.
So all the ones that are on that sheet, the top of that sheet, require